Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct is excited about the launch of our newest pneumatic valves from our brand Nitra. The Nitra Pneumatic Automation Link Electro-Pneumatic System series of components from Automation Direct is a versatile field I/O system that can include electrical I/O or pneumatic valves or a combination of both. The system can be controlled either by an Ethernet IP master or direct wiring to the pneumatic valves. All components are rated IP65, intended to be machine mounted, and can be split into multiple subsystems that use only one master connection. Each assembly can support up to 40 I/O modules and 40 valve bases to control the most complex systems. Power, I/O, and network connections are made via standard M8 or M12 connections. All PAL components come with an efficient diagnostic system, have a 1-year warranty, and offer these agency approvals. Learn more by visiting automationdirect.com/pneumatics. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.